So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to disable Captcha on Google Chrome. So guys, to reduce or eliminate the Captcha from your Google Chrome, so guys, first thing is guys, sign in into your Google and keep an active Google profile synced. Your session appear trusted. So guys, here you see that I have a multiple profile and I am properly logged in and create a proper profile in my account. Okay, second thing is guys, turn off VPN and proxy. Guys, if you are using any VPN in the proxy, so guys, you simply go to the extension section and here you find your VPN. Okay, if you find any VPN, so guys, simply go and remove it from your Chrome. Okay, because these are the things to share repeatedly, share or repeatedly changed your IP address frequently triggered security blockage. Okay, another thing is guys, clear browsing data. So guys, remove old cookies and the cache file that might be corrupted this side verification data. For this, simply go to the setting, then go for to history option, then show history in the side panel, and here no sorry go here and then history and open history page. Then guys, here you see the option of delete browsing data, so just click here and delete the browsing data. Another thing is guys, disable the conflict extension. So guys, if you are using the multi extension, so turn off the ads blocker or the privacy script that mask your browser signature too heavily. Okay, so these are the things that you can try to fix this issue. And guys, thank you and have a nice day. And alternatively, you paid alternative solver paid for the API driven extension can handle the complex enterprises Captcha automatically if its basic troubleshooting fails. Okay, so guys, thank you.